This is Saurabh Zambekar introducing you to the new Yamaha DGX 660 portable grand piano. Okay. So, the first thing when you go out in the market to buy a new digital piano, which comes into picture are touch and the tone. So, in this new model of the Yamaha, they have provided graded hammer standard action, which means this keyboard, this portable or this digital piano gives you the feel of a real acoustic piano. That means basically the keys on the left are weighted and the weight goes on decreasing as you move towards the right or the higher pitch. Yeah. This new keyboard comes with some exciting new features. So the first feature in this series is Piano Room. Now what this feature or what this mode does is it lets you play various types of piano in various different environments, such as you can see on the screen is the iconic CF3S concert grand piano kept in a beautiful concert hall. So when I play a concert grand piano in a piano hall, it gives a lot of reverb. Yep. Now I'm gonna change the environment to the room. So the reverb would be much lesser if you compare it to the concert hall. Yeah. You can play various different pianos such as warm grand, pop grand and the honky tonk as well. We can also switch off the environment mode. Well, I'm gonna switch it back to concert hall. So for the first time in the whole line of DGX portable grand digital piano series, Yamaha has introduced this new feature called Piano Room. So Yamaha basically has used the sampling of the legendary CF3S concert grand piano played by the famous and the renowned pianists all over the world. So when you play this particular model, it gives you the feel of the legendary concert grand 9 feet long CF3S. The Yamaha DGX 660 portable grand digital piano comes with exciting new features such as Style Recommender, which allows you to select a particular style which is suitable to your particular musical arrangement. Let's say for example you're playing Bossa Nova, and if you play a particular rhythmic piece of Bossa Nova, the keyboard will recommend you 8 different styles which you can select from.